If you'd like to have a cute and beautiful paper wallet of your own, then stay with me and let's make one together. Hi, my lovely friends. Welcome to Rokan. I'm so happy to have you here. Today, we're going to make this adorable paper wallet together. It's simple, cute, and really fun. Thank you so much. If you enjoy DIY crafts like this, see you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out my other videos thumbs up for more fun and creative DIY crafts. Alright my friends, let's get started and make our cute paper wallet together. First, take a colored A4 sheet of paper. Then, carefully follow the folding instructions shown in the video and fold the paper step by step in the correct order. Make sure each fold is neat and precise, because this will help us create a beautiful and well-shaped paper wallet. And just like that, our cute little paper wallet is finally ready. Look how adorable it turned out. It's amazing what we can create with just a simple sheet of paper and a little creativity. I hope you enjoyed making this cute paper wallet with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to Rokan and give the video a thumbs up. Bye for now, and happy crafting.